So in this box I have a wireless charger that fits all the trucks with the center console. Here's how it looks like. So in order to take this out, you're gonna have to take this trim piece off, and then there's gonna be some screws in here on this side as well, and some torque screws that you gotta take off. And then you might have to take out these pieces too. In order to take this trim piece off easily, you're gonna put your parking brake on, then put it in drive. Take these trim pieces off. You have to take this piece off and this top one as well. There's two 7mm in here and then two 7mm over here. So you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver and just all you're gonna do is pull this down. So you're gonna have four 7mm screws, two on this side and then two on the other, and then you're gonna have one torque screw here and then the other one there to take this off. You're gonna take off these T20 torque screws. And then you're gonna take off these two 7mm screws. all you're gonna do is just pull this out. And you gotta be careful because there's this, and you just push those two little tabs up, and then it comes on. I'm gonna remove these two T20 torque screws as well. What you're gonna do, you're gonna lift this up as much as you can. And then with this one, you're gonna take off the light like that. And you lift this up all the way up. Disconnect the USB port and remove it to put it on the new trim piece. Put that in there, and then this is gonna go connected right here. I'm just doing this demonstration because I didn't record properly in that clip, so I'm just gonna show you guys what to do. One end of the connector is gonna go here, and then the other end is gonna go to the factory plug-in. And then this, I'm gonna just route it down here. And then this goes connected to this piece right here. Just like that. Now I just plug back the connections to the USB port. And the light as well. So now we're gonna do the same procedure. Lift this up. So now we just put everything back. So I just finished putting everything together. Now let's test out the wireless charger. Turn it on. As you can see, it's charging already. Hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.